Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Mercedes w203. This is a 2006 C180. I'm gonna remove the door panel here. So in order to remove the door panel, we're gonna need just a couple of things, or 2 or 3 things. I've got a Torx here. This Torx is for this little screw here. It's a T15 or T20. It's just that my thing is, well, it says 15 I think in there. And also we're gonna need a T30 as well as a flathead screwdriver. With the flathead screwdriver you wanna go in there and pop this cover open. Just pry it open slowly so it doesn't break, but that just literally pops out like that. And in there is where these Torx screws will be. So I might not be able to get that in there actually. Maybe on this one. Okay, maybe on that one. But the top one doesn't fit, so I need the other style. Now also we're going to remove this SRS cover here, which again I already popped it out. It's just plugged in there, as you can see. And again in there is another Torx T30, which we can go ahead and remove. There is our Torx in there. And then also we have this little one here, which will allow us to remove this plastic cover. And well, I have to remove that one as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so I went ahead and removed that screw in there. We then want to get some sort of flathead screwdriver, maybe. Better if you use something plastic, really, something flat plastic. Put it in the side of this panel, and you can start popping this panel out. I already popped it a little bit, but as you can hear, that's basically what is going to happen. It's going to start popping out. And once it's popped out, we also just want to take this cover out, this little cover, which is not okay. Just want to take this cover out. That just pops out, and then we can lift this up. And we just need to disconnect this from inside. It's not difficult. It's just like a little hook in there. So we also have the speaker, and no, not the speaker, the electric window switch here. When I pull that out, and we have the little connection for the the light at the bottom, this one here, which you can if you take this out, that's where that is connected, and we can just press on the little bit. Not even, I think this is just a pull out one, to be honest, but you might need 2 hands to pull that out. And your panel is out. So that's pretty much it. That's how it will allow you to access whether you want to change something there, your speaker, or you want to check or change the airbag or whatnot. You can actually access the module here as well. There is a module in there. Sometimes it goes faulty. You can actually remove that module. So having said that, I hope this video helps. Obviously the refitting, it's the reversal of removal. So hope this video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.